Welcome back to CAD-CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple T-type pipe fitting with the help of Solidworks. I hope you will enjoy this video. So first start sketch new part and OK. Then dimension MMGS, plain white, and image quality high. Okay. Okay, then go OK. So select front plane, go to sketch, select a circle, smart dimension, diameter 28 mm. Select OK and go feature and extrude boss command. Okay, here select mid plane. Okay, and select this dimension 60 mm. Okay, then go OK. So here this side 30 and another side 30. Okay, thin feature go thin 3 mm. Okay, so here thin feature go outside, but I have to need this inside. So click here, OK, inside, and go OK. Okay, then I have to need another plane. So select right plane and go sketch, normal to, go circle and this dimension same 28 mm. And here I have to need extrude boss, go to feature, extrude feature, but I have to need offset 30 mm. Okay, but I have to need up to surface command, up to surface. Yes, select up to surface and select this body. Okay, this body is complete. And then go OK. Okay, then I have to need one hole. Select face and sketch here. Select a circle. Okay, this circle dimension. This circle and this circle, between this circle thickness 3 mm. Okay, select 3 mm and select OK. Okay, and I have to need cut this circle, inner circle. So go extrude command, extrude cut command, and here up to surface. Here select up to surface. Okay, and then select inner side face surface. Okay, show preview here. Okay, this T-type fitting are totally ready. Now I have to go cut thread. Okay, go to thread command. This thread command is not available in 2040 and below. It's available only above 14, 15, 16 and others. Okay, select this circle and Here I have not complete this thread, so I have to need some offset. Offset 2 mm, but offset another side, flip. Okay, and here select thread length. Okay, 15 mm. Then select metric tab. Okay, M22 into 1.5, and here select cut thread and right hand thread. Okay, go OK. Okay, now complete first thread. Okay, successfully complete. Nice thread. Okay, then another side, create a thread. Go thread command again. Select this circle edge. And go and offset. Same as previous. Okay. Then same metric thread or dimension. So first select right, then select left. One is left and another is right. Okay. Again go thread command and select this edge. Okay. Here select offset like as previous and go M22 into 1.5. M22 into 1.5. These three threads are same. Okay, then go OK. So our three-side thread is complete now. So I have to knit fillet some edge. Okay, go fillet and select first this edge, second select this edge, and third select this edge. I think this radius is higher, so I have to select 1 mm. Okay, show preview, then OK. Okay, our T-type pipe fitting totally ready now. So I have to go some appearance, material, select material, brush. This is now look very nice. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget share my video. Thank you.